Now the next tool that's right beside it, see it, and you can see that we're using the same body that we used on the miter marker. Now this one marks the holes for all your saddles and that. Now he's got the imager set up on about 75 degrees. As you can see the degrees at the top, you set the degrees, and your marking arm slides up and down on the rod, and it goes always from the high side to the low side. In other words, pick it up to the high side and let it fall, and it'll mark. Really, don't try and go uphill because it won't do it. You know, but it's a very easy tool to use when you use it in the right way.